We are going to start now lecture 3 of chapter 10 class 11th mathematics straight lines. In this lecture we will talk about the next form of equation of a line. It is called the slope intercept form, where this term intercept, we are talking about the y-intercept over here. So y-intercept means if we are considering, suppose these are the x-axis and y-axis, and we are talking about a line, this is x-axis and this is y-axis, we are talking about a line in this form, and this line, it intersects the y-axis at the point 0 comma c. Then this c, the distance it has from the y-axis, it is called the y-intercept. It is called the y-intercept. So we are saying we have to prove that the equation of a line with slope m and making an intercept c on the y-axis, the equation of this line, it is given by y is equal to mx plus c. Intercept, I hope it is clear to you. We are saying intercept means the point where it is intersecting with the y-axis and the distance of that point from the origin, that is called the y-intercept. So if we talk about the equation over here, we are having two things are given. One is the point is given, this point is given, basically the line is passing through. When the y-intercept is given, it means line is passing through the point 0 comma c. This is one thing is given, and second, it is given that the slope of the line, it is m. Now we have to find the equation of this line. So the equation of the line, when these two things, these are given to us, the equation of the line, that is given by y minus c, that is equal to m into x minus 0. This implies as y is equal to mx plus c. So this form of the equation, this is called slope intercept form when the y-intercept is given to us. Similarly, we can calculate the equation when the x-intercept is given. We will have similar kind of equation. So next we are deriving the equation when the slope m is given and the intercept on the x-axis. The intercept on the x-axis, it is d. D means we are saying this is the line we are talking about, and the distance of from the origin to this point, this distance, it is d. Now this point from which this line is passing, it is d comma 0, and the slope of this line is given to be m. So the equation of this line, we will obtain y minus 0, that is equal to m into x minus d. So we can write y is equal to m times x minus d. This is the equation of the line in slope intercept form, where m is the slope and d is the x intercept that the line makes with the x-axis. Next is find the equation of the line whose slope is 1 by 2. This is the value of m given to us, that is equal to 1 by 2, and the y-intercept, that is the value of c, is given to be minus 5 by 4. We know that the equation of the line in slope intercept form, that is y is equal to mx plus c. So the equation becomes y is equal to 1 by 2x minus 5 by 4. So this implies us 2x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line in slope intercept form. Next is find the equation of a line whose intercepts the y-axis at a distance of 3 units above the origin and makes an angle 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. So from this first condition, 3 units above the x-axis, it means the value of c is given to be 3, and the value of the slope of this line m, it is equal to tan of 30 degree, the angle it makes with the x-axis. This value we have, it is 1 by root 3. So the equation of this line, that is y is equal to mx plus c. So on solving this, we will obtain, if we multiply this whole equation with square root 3, the answer we will get, it is x minus root 3y plus 3 root 3, that is equal to 0. So this is the equation of this line, that is above 3 units on the y-axis. From the x-axis, it is intersecting at this point. This point is basically we are having 0, 3, and the slope of this line, it is given by m is equal to tan 30, that is equal to 1 by square root 3. Next is find the equation of a line which cuts off an angle of 4 units on negative direction of y-axis. We are talking about this point. It is given to be 0, minus 4 and makes an angle of 120 degree. This angle is given to be 120 degree. So the slope of this line, it is m is equal to tan of 120. This is equal to minus tan 60 degree, that is equal to minus square root 3. So we have the value of c. From this term we are saying the value of c we have, it is minus 4, and the value of m we have, it is minus square root 3. And when we substitute these values in the equation, we obtain it is y is equal to minus root 3x minus 4. So this implies us that the equation we have, it is root 3x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of this line. Next is find the equation of a line for which tan theta is equal to 1 by 3 and x-intercept equal to 5 units. So tan theta is 1 by 3 means this is the value of m, that is slope is given to be 1 by 3. X-intercept means the value of d is given to be 5. So the equation we know it is of the form y is equal to m into x minus d. So we get it is y is equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 5, and this implies us x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the equation, this is the required equation of the line. Next is find the equation of the line which cuts the x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left. 3 units to the left means the value of d is given to be minus 3. It is the x-intercept that is given, and the slope is equal to minus 2. The value of m is given to be minus 2. So the equation we have, it is y is equal to m into x minus d. So y is equal to minus 2 into x plus 3. On solving this, the equation we obtain, it is 2x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line. Next is reduce the equation 6x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 to the slope intercept form and find its slope and the y-intercept. Now we know that the standard equation in the slope intercept form for y-intercept given, it is y is equal to mx plus c. We want to write this equation in this form. We are writing 3y is equal to minus 6x plus 5. We obtain y is equal to minus 2x plus 5 by 3. So this implies us that the value of m that we have, it is equal to minus 2, and the value of c we have, it is 5 by 3. So we are saying the slope of this line is equal to minus 2 and y-intercept that is equal to 5 by 3. This is the slope and the y-intercept that we have. Next is prove that the lines x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 are parallel. So this first equation we can write it in the form y is equal to minus 1 by 2x plus 9 by 2. This implies us the value of m for this equation, it is minus 1 by 2. This is the slope corresponding to this equation. From this second equation we can write y is equal to minus 1 by 2x minus 5 by 4. This implies us the value of m2. The slope for this equation, it is minus 1 by 2. Now look at the slope of both these equations. We are saying m1 is equal to m2. So this implies us that the given lines are parallel. because the slope of both these lines, these are equal to each other. Next, these are the two equations of the lines that are given to us, and we have to prove that these two lines, these are perpendicular to each other. So from the first equation, we can write y is equal to 3 by 2. We can write y is equal to 3 by 2x plus 25 by 18. From this second equation, we can write y is equal to minus 2 by 3x minus 7 by 3. So the value of slope m1 we have, that is equal to 3 by 2. This is slope of the first line. Slope of the second line m2 we are having, it is minus 2 by 3. And if we multiply these values, we are talking about m1 into m2, we have it is 3 by 2 into minus 2 by 3. Answer we have it is equal to minus 1. And this thing implies us that line L1 is perpendicular to line L2. We are saying this is line L1, this is line L2. Now m1 into m2 is minus 1. It implies us that both these lines, these are perpendicular to each other. Next we have is find the angle made by the line, this line is given, with the positive direction of the x-axis. So again we write this in the slope intercept form, and we obtain y is equal to minus 1 by root 3x plus x by square root 3. So the slope of this line is minus 1 by root 3. Suppose the angle theta it is making with the x-axis, we are saying tan theta is minus 1 by root 3. We can write, this implies us that tan theta is equal to minus tan 30 degree. This is equal to tan of 180 degree minus 30 degree. This is equal to tan of 150 degree. We are saying this theta, it lies between 0 and 180 degree. So we obtain from this that the angle it makes with the x-axis, it is 150 degrees. The angle it makes with x-axis, it is 150 degree. Next is find the angle made by the line. This is the equation of the line given with the positive direction of x-axis. So again, writing this equation in the slope intercept form, we obtain that the value of y that we have, that is equal to, we have minus sign over here, it is cos 30 over sin 30 into x. Then we have minus sign over here, it is sine of 120 divided by sine of 30. We are writing this is equal to minus cot 30x minus sine of 120 degree divided by sine of 30 degree. So the value of slope that we obtain from this, the value of tan theta we have, it is equal to minus cot 30 degree. We can write this is equal to tan of 90 plus 30. We are writing tan of 90 plus 30, this is in the second quadrant. So the answer will become negative, it is 90 over here, so this will become cot. So we are getting that tan theta is equal to tan of 120 degree. So this implies us that the value of theta we have, it is equal to 120 degrees. So we are saying the given line makes an angle of 120 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. Next is find the angles between the lines. These are the two equations given to us. So this first equation we are writing in the slope intercept form, we get it is y is equal to minus root 3x plus 1, and from this second equation, we can write y is equal to minus 1 by root 3x plus 1 by root 3. Now from this first equation, the value of slope that we have, m1 we have it is minus root 3. From this second equation, value of m2 we have it is minus 1 by root 3. Now the value of tan theta, we have to calculate the angle between the two lines whose slopes are given. So we are writing tan theta is equal to mod of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So we are writing it is mod of minus 1 by root 3 plus root 3 divided by 1 plus minus root 3 into minus 1 by root 3. So the answer we obtain it is mod of 2 by root 3 into 1 by 2. We are writing it is 1 by square root 3. So we are saying that the acute angle, we are talking about acute angle between these two lines, it is theta is equal to 30 degree. Why we are saying so? We are saying if these are the two lines intersecting, we are saying this acute angle that they form, it is 30 degree, and hence the obtuse angle they will form, that will be 150 degree. So if we write the answer in this form, that the acute angle is 30 degree, then the other angle, that is automatically 150 degree. So this thing is mentioned over here. We are saying theta is equal to 30 degree or theta is equal to 150 degree. Hence the angle between the two lines, we can say it is either 30 degree or 150 degree. Next is show that the lines, one equation is this, second is this, and it is given that b1, b2 are not equal to 0. We have to prove that they are parallel if they satisfy this condition and they are perpendicular if they satisfy this condition. Now corresponding to this first line, the value of slope that we will have, m1 that we will have, that will be minus a1 by b1, the coefficient negative minus sign, coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. And corresponding to this second equation, the value of m2, the slope we have, that is equal to minus a2 by b2. This is the slope. Now if both these lines, these are parallel to each other, we are talking about two conditions, one is parallel and second is perpendicular. So when both these lines, these are parallel to each other, we have minus a1 by b1, that is equal to minus a2 by b2. So this implies us that a1 by b1 is equal to a2 by b2. So we are saying that these two lines, these will be parallel if a1 by b1 is equal to a2 by b2, and these will be perpendicular if minus of a1 by b1 into minus of a2 by b2, that is equal to 1. We are saying m1 into m2 should be equal to minus 1. So what we obtain from this is that a1 a2 plus b1 b2, that is equal to 0. So this is the condition for the two lines to be perpendicular to each other, and this is the condition for two lines to be parallel to each other. Next is find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, minus 5 and parallel to this line. So parallel to this line means if we calculate the slope of this line, we are calculating the value of m. It is minus sign over here. The coefficient of x, it is 2, and coefficient of y, it is minus 3. So the slope of this line, it is 2 by 3. So we are talking about a line which passes through the point. We are saying it should pass through 2, minus 5, and parallel to this line means the slope of this line should be 2 by 3. So we are saying the equation of the line which passes through this point and slope 2 by 3, it is y minus 5 divided by x minus 2, that is equal to 2 by 3. So on solving this, we obtain that the equation of line, it is 2x minus 3y minus 19 is equal to 0. So if you don't remember this formula directly, what you can say, we are saying we have the point 2, minus 5 over here. Say this is the point P. We have considered this is the line we are talking about whose slope is 2 by 3. This point, say any point A over here, its coordinates, they are x, y. So from these two we obtain that the slope of this line, it is y minus minus 5 divided by x minus 2, and this slope is given to be equal to 2 by 3, and on solving this we obtain the equation of the line in the form, it is 2x minus 3y minus 19 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of this line. Next is find the equation of the line passing through the point minus 2 minus 4 and perpendicular to this line. So the slope of this line, it is m1, we are writing it is equal to minus of 3 by minus 1. So that is equal to 3. We are saying the required line, it is perpendicular to the given line. So we have m1 into m2. m2 is the slope of this line, that should be minus 1. So the value of m2 we obtain, it is minus 1 by 3. So we are talking about a line which passes to the point minus 2 comma minus 4, and its slope is equal to minus 1 by 3. So the equation of this line, it is y minus minus 4 divided by x minus minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 3. So this implies us the equation we obtain, it is 3 into y plus 4 is equal to minus of x plus 2, and this implies us x plus 3y plus 14 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation. This is the required equation. Next is find the equation of the line whose y-intercept is minus 3. Y-intercept is minus 3 means the value of c is given to be minus 3, and it is perpendicular to this line. It is perpendicular to this line. So slope of this line m, it is minus of 3 by minus 2. Answer we obtain, it is 3 by 2. We are writing it is m1. Now the slope of this line, that is we have to calculate, it should have m2 into m1 is equal to minus 1. So the value of m2 we will have, it is minus 2 by 3. So we are interested in calculating the equation of a line whose slope is minus 2 by 3 and whose y-intercept is minus 3. We know that the equation of this line, it is y is equal to mx plus c. So we obtain y is equal to minus 2 by 3 x minus 3. So this implies us 2x plus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the line whose y-intercept is minus 3 and which is perpendicular to this line. Next is find the equation of the line perpendicular to this line and having x-intercept 3. X-intercept 3 means the value of d is given to be 3. Now we have to calculate the slope. So slope of this line, we are writing m1, that is equal to minus of 1 by minus 7. So this is equal to 1 by 7. Now slope of the line perpendicular to this line, we are saying the slope of the line perpendicular to this line, it is m2 is equal to minus 1 by m1. So that is equal to minus 7. So we have obtained two things. One is the value of d is equal to 3 and the value of m2 is equal to minus 7. So the equation of this line we will have, it is y is equal to m into x minus d. So we have, this implies us y is equal to minus 7 into x minus 3. So this implies us 7x plus y minus 21 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the line which is perpendicular to this given line and it has the x-intercept equal to 3. Next is find the equation of the lines through the point, it is passing through the point 3, 2 and it makes an angle of 45 degree with the line x minus 2y is equal to 3. So makes an angle of 45 degree with this line. So we calculate the slope of this line. So slope of this line, we are saying, say it is m1, that is equal to minus of 1 by minus 2. So that is equal to 1 by 2. Now let the slope of the required line, which makes an angle of 45 degree with it, it is m2. Then it is being given that tan 45, that is equal to m2 minus 1 by 2 over 1 plus 1 by 2 into m2. Now tan 45, we know it is equal to 1. We are talking about the mod of this value. So what we obtain from this is that 2m1 minus 1 over 2 plus m1 is equal to 1, or 2m1 minus 1 divided by 2 plus m1, that is equal to minus 1. This value is equal to minus 1. So on solving these two equations, we obtain that either the value of m1 is equal to 3 or value of m1 is equal to minus 1 by 3. These are the two values of slope that we have. Now we have to find the equation of the line which passes through the point 3, 2. It passes through the point 3, 2 and it has the slope either it is 3 or it is minus 1 by 3. So the two equations we obtain, it is y minus 2 over x minus 3 is equal to 3, or y minus 2 over x minus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 3. So this implies us 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0, and this implies us x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. So these are the two equations that we have. So these are the two required lines, and both of these lines, they make an angle of 45 degree with the given line and they pass through this point. So these are the required equations.